Hey fam, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we are doing a full face of Wet n Wild products. I went and had like a mini CVS haul with a bunch of Wet n Wild stuff, so I'm excited to definitely try it out. And in today's video, we are going to turn this into this. Yeah. So I saw Patrick Starr do a tutorial recently, or just yesterday actually, or today, of a tutorial that he called the Hot Girl Summer tutorial, where they define hot girl summer as to live your most confident, unapologetic life, which is what we're gonna do, right? But we're gonna do it Wet n Wild style for the most part. I didn't get a eyeshadow base, but I guess I could use the concealer. I don't know what I'm doing with my eyes. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the eyes, and I'm gonna scoot you guys in so we can start with the eyes. Hi guys, very close, right? Look at this. Look at this pretty little blemish. I don't know, man. When do pimples start going away? Like never, right? I don't know. I'm just gonna learn how to deal with it. Now I didn't get a eye primer base, so I'm just going to use their Photo Focus concealer. I'm gonna put that on my eye. Now this is my first time using this concealer, so how's everyone's summer? Today it is a whopping 107 degrees outside, if you guys can believe that. And if you don't, well, freaking believe it, because it's the truth. I'm just wearing... In today's video, I'm going to use this little cute Wet n Wild. Does anyone have a better way of opening this thing? Now, for this eye look, I'm going to try to follow... What the lump, man? It's still not opening. Maybe they don't want me to use it. That's why they close it like this, you know? So nobody could ever use it for their entire life.
2,000 years later.
A million years later, I've opened the thing. I'm gonna try to actually follow the directions on here and see how it looks. To set my concealer, I'm just gonna use the color Brow Bone. And I'm gonna put that on my brow bone, but also try to bring it down. And then with my Luxie 229 brush, I'm gonna go into crease actually. And I'm gonna put that in my crease. Drag it all the way to the corner. Now we're gonna put the eyelid color, which is the pink color, on my eyelid. I think I want to use my finger because it might probably pick up a bit more pigment if I do that. It's not showing up that much. I don't know. It's not bright enough for me. I'm gonna take this Luxie 121 and I'm gonna go in transition. Now, lucky for me, I bought this cute little, look at it, this cute little Wet n Wild eyeshadow, I think. And this is in Nude Comer. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid because, you know, we're doing a hot girl summer look, you know, and we don't care. This is super sticky. Honestly, I don't know if I like the texture of this. Okay, I definitely like putting it on with a brush better. I could get a more precise application. I'm gonna go in with this transition shade, and I'm just gonna put that in my V. I like the way it looks. Okay, it's warm. Now I'm gonna go in with some liner. I do not have a Wet n Wild liner, so I'm going to be using of course, my NYX matte liquid liner. Now I'm going to go on with the rest of my face. I'm going to scoot you a little farther back. Not too much, you know. I need a massage because my back is hurting from our hike yesterday. We hiked at Alamere Falls. The hike itself wasn't so bad. It was like 4 point whatever miles. But going down to the actual falls, it's like freaking rock climbing. It looks super dangerous. Well, it is pretty dangerous. But yeah, it's freaking hard, okay? And I haven't worked out in a long time and I had to pull myself up. Climbing up was not that bad, but climbing down was pretty bad. But you had to have so much upper body strength to do those things. And it just freaking wrecked my back. So for primer, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. Actually, this one is not a first impressions because I've been using this primer for a little bit because I was on a hunt for a new primer and I picked this one up. And so far, I freaking love it. It keeps me so matte during the day. I wear it pretty much. This is like my new everyday primer. And the thing is, like, when you put it on, it feels like it's kind of moisturizing. Alright, now we're gonna go in with, of course, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Does it look good now? Good. Okay, now we're all foundationized, if that's a word. I'm going to first contour. This is their the Wet n Wild makeup stick. This is my first time using it, so we shall see. It looks kind of grayish to me. Okay, honestly, I don't think it did much, if it did anything at all. What do you guys think? Okay, now we're gonna do their Wet n Wild concealer, Photo Focus Concealer. Also my first time using it. Oh my god. I just got concealer all over my freaking eyebrows. Okay, whatever. Oh my god, I cannot believe I just freaking did that. To set my under eyes, I do not have a Wet n Wild press powder, so I'm going to use this Airspun powder to set underneath my eyes. Now we are going to try to contour with this. This is their Mega Glow Contouring Highlighting. I'm going to try to brighten up my under eyes. I'm not mad at it. And I'm going to go into this contour palette. Ooh, there's quite a bit of fallout on that, so be careful, guys. Ooh, now I look contoured, okay? This is what I was looking for. OMG, we didn't even freaking finish the eyes yet. Alright, we're gonna go back into this little tiny cutesy palette. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little pencil brush and I'm gonna go in to crease to smoke out my lower lash line. Now we're gonna go into this Wet n Wild blush in, oh crap, I forgot to open it. It's actually pretty nice. I think it's called Wine or something. I'll look it up, guys. All right, and then I'm going to, of course, highlight. I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild loose highlighter in Hustle and Glow. Woo! And I'm also gonna put this on my inner corner. That is a very, very gorgeous highlight. And now I'm gonna put on this liquid catsuit in Give Me Mocha. The last thing I want to do is my lashes. I'm just gonna set my face with some Mario Badescu because I forgot to get some Wet n Wild setting spray. I know I'm horrible. Alright guys, I have my eyelashes on, but the thing on my eyelid, this eyeshadow, I don't know what this is. Glitter. It's not settling down. It's actually like super oily still, and it's settling in my crease. So I'm gonna try to set it down with some highlighter. Alright guys, so this is the final look. What did you guys think? Is it not cute? There's a lot of weird things that happened in this video, okay? I mean, it looks cute all together, okay? But this thing, the glitter single from Wet n Wild, it did not want to stay. It is super, so the texture is very oily. And it just stayed super oily on my lid. This blush is awesome. This loose highlighter is friggin' awesome. And this, what is this? This Mega Glow Contour and Brightening thing is amazing. I love it, I love it, I love it. I actually like the way it contoured my cheeks, and the brightener is really good. This one's kind of like, you know, but what are you gonna do? All in all, everything was amazing. I hope you guys like this look, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Bye fam.